How would you feel one day waking up early in the morning, looking to your phone and seeing this alert coming into your phone? This is how people like me and some other guys out there are they earning money on a daily basis, even sometimes hourly. So in today's video, I'm going to review 4 apps that will make this possible for you, and you can use it on your Android or on your iOS phone. And these apps are free. Only you just need to sign up and start using this app to make money online without doing anything. The only work you need to do is to just sign up and start earning money online. So before we move on to today's video, please support my channel, give this video a thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe to this channel and also turn on notification bell button, so in this way when I make new videos on new strategies on how to make money online, you will be notified, and in this case you'll be the first one to start using the method or strategies to make money online. And in this way you're going to earn even the most money online with this method and strategy. So with that being said, let's jump on into today's tutorial. Alright, so the first app I'm going to show you is called instagc.com. I repeat, instagc.com. You're going to earn points, for which this points is what you're going to redeem to money. Okay, you earn points for things you already do online each day. For example, like completing survey and shopping online, even searching the web. My own favorite part of this is that you can also earn money by watching videos online, just by one click to other click, watching videos, and you earn money online. And this is the aspect that pays even more on this platform, by watching videos online. And this is free. You can use it on your Android and you can use it on iOS. But before we move on, I want you to leave a comment. Let me know what type of phone are you using. Are you using Android or iOS? Leave a comment below. This money you're gonna earn on this platform, you can redeem it with a gift card, or you can get it with PayPal, or you can withdraw it with a bank transfer. So let me just show you some proofs. So to see some proof of people using this app to earn money online, you just need to go to their social page on Facebook. So you can see this is their logo here, instagc. So these are some of their proof from people using this platform and earning money on this platform. So as you can see here, these guys redeem points for $104 in a direct deposit. So it means a direct bank deposit. Okay, as you can see, this is on 1st of July. Okay, so it's not so long, and there are many more like that. Like this guy here redeem a point for $100 to PayPal, and this is also in July. So you can see there are so many proofs here to make you know that this platform is legit. Okay, this guy already redeemed points for $61 and he's getting into his bank account, and these other guys also get $84 to his PayPal. So this is how it goes on and on and on and on. Okay, and these proofs are fresh proofs. So to join is just very easy. Go up to click on sign up. So to join is very easy. You can join with Facebook or Twitter or Google. So to just join, just click on sign up, and it will take you to this page where you can enter your details, username, password, and your first name, and then you agree to the time and service, and you're ready to use this platform. So now let's move on to the second app, which is AppKarma. So what you're going to do on appkarma.com, you earn reward playing with apps. It is totally free. Okay, like the first one I show you, all the apps I'm going to show you on this platform are free to use. Sign up with this app, you're going to get 300 points instantly, which you can change to money. So 100 points is equal to $1, which means 300 points is $3. So it means you're going to get $3 for signing up to use this app. You can see it's also available for iOS and Android users. So if you're using iOS or you're using Android, you can also use this app to earn extra income. And there are other 2 ways to earn even more money on this platform. The first method to earn even more money on this platform is by referring people, by referring your friend or your social followers, and you will get 30% from each earnings that they earn. Okay, so for example, when they earn $100 now, you are going to get $30 from that to your income. So this is how you can also earn more money on this platform. If you have a social media presence, YouTube for example, or Instagram follower, etc., or a blog site, so you can put your link there, and when someone sign up through your link, there will be your referral automatically, and you can earn 30% of what they are earning. So the second method to earn more money on this app, karma.io, you get extra bonuses when your badge are going up. When you achieve more badges, okay, you can earn more money. For example, when you stop 5 app, watching 25 video, checking in 5 times, these are the ways you can earn more badge. It means you have to be active on this app to earn more badge, and when you earn more badge, for example, you get to get 12.15% bonus to your normal earning. For example, when you're earning $100 with this bonus, when your badge reach up to this level, you can earn $25 more to that, which is going to be $125. So this is how to earn more money with this app. Third app I'm going to show you is cashcake.com. This works exactly how the instantgc.com. You can even earn more money than Instant GC on this platform. You can earn money by doing surveys on this platform, or by surfing. You can earn more money on this platform when you watch videos, okay, which is my best part of this earning strategies. When you watch video, you earn even more money on this platform. And to sign up on this platform, you can see, you just go here and click on get started now, and you can sign up for this platform. So now let's go to the last app, which is going to be the number 4 app, which is called superpay.me. Superpay.me also pays you 20 cents for joining. Okay, this is the joining bonus, and the money you earn on this platform, you can get it paid direct to your PayPal account. And as you can see here, they have already paid over $4 million to their active users. So these are all the type of payment that they have. They have a PayPal payment, they have a Amazon payment, Skrill, and even Bitcoin. So which is very, very good. As you can see, they have a fast payment is within 24 hours, a low cash out threshold, and it works from home. You can use this app from anywhere you are and earn even money by doing that. So to join this platform, it's very, very easy. You just need to go to click on join free today. After clicking it, to bring you to this next page where you can fill your details, username and password, and after that, going down here, you can also enter your PayPal details, or your Skrill detail, or your PayPal details, or even your Bitcoin details. And after that, you agree to the time and service and agree that you're not a robot. Here is the payment proof. This is according to when I'm doing this video now. You see, this is payment with PayPal, another one with PayPal. The most payment here is with PayPal, guys, and some other guys also receive their payment with Skrill and so on. So this is the payment proof for you to know that this app is legit and they are still paying. So all you just need to do is to go ahead and join this app now and start earning money for yourself. So I hope you've gained value on this video, and if so, please give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And if you haven't also subscribed to this channel, turn on the notification bell button. Each time when I create new videos like this, you will get notified. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I appreciate you all, and I will see you in my next video.